Hello collectors, today is the last Japanese pack I have. sv5. Hold on, give me a sec. I think it was 5K or M. Okay. sv5K. One from the back. Hoot hoot. Ah. Oh. Almost missed one. No hollows or EXs or anything heavy out of that. But tomorrow, the black bolt and white flare box. Almost want to open it up now and set her up, but I'll do that in tomorrow's video. Ooh. Guess you need to see more than just my forehead and eyes. My bad. But that's... wow. That's all I got for now. Yesterday's and today is really short. Got a lot of packs, so I gotta make it last. And if things don't change, I might be doing a video once a week with doing like 4 or 5 packs opening. It's getting hard out there to find cards. But thank you guys for everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you keep coming back. So from Treasure Tracker to you guys, have a great day, have some fun, and enjoy your time. Bye guys.